To our Oregon nurses, I want to thank you for your bravery and your self-sacrifice and your commitment to your patients and to our communities.
And I just wanted to take a moment to thank the nurses here in Oregon and all the healthcare workers for everything that you are doing for us during the COVID crisis.
Thank you especially for your courage and compassion on the front lines of this crisis over the last several months.
As a public health nurse, I know how frightening, confusing, and stressful the last number of weeks have been for Oregon nurses.
Because of your self-sacrifice and commitment, we are flattening the curve and saving lives.
Many of you are on the front lines in the battle against coronavirus. I see you, and I am fighting in Congress to make sure you have all you need to stay safe.
I hope you'll join me in honoring them and all nurses during National Nurses Week 2020.
As a state senator, I want you to know that I will fight with you to make sure that nurses and patients are protected. I am also fighting diligently with the Oregon Nurses Association to make sure that you have a voice at work.
I commit to advocate for nurses through more testing, access to personal protective equipment, and additional protections for sick workers. We are all so proud of you and the work you are doing. Thank you.
In fact, I've doubled down on my promise to always work with the Oregon Nurses Association to ensure that you have good working conditions, you can work safe, and continue doing what you love to help serve people in our state.
One of the greatest rewards that I have had as an Oregon State Senator is fighting for nurses, whether it is fighting for better and safer working conditions, better hours, better wages, expanding scopes of practice, lowering drug prices, increasing access and quality care. In the end, it is making our patients healthier, our communities healthier, and our profession healthier.
You are all heroes, and as heroes, you deserve so much more than just our gratitude. You deserve to know that your legislators and your elected leaders are fighting to get you the PPE and the workplace protections that you need. I am fighting for you, and I am standing in solidarity with you this week and every week. Happy Nurses Week.
As we reopen Oregon and work towards life after the pandemic, we need nurses at patients' bedsides and at policy tables. Your voices are critical to ensuring a healthy Oregon for all. I'm honored to stand with the Oregon Nurses Association and all of you nurses. Happy Nurses Week.
You are truly an inspiration, and it is essential that your voice be at the table for any policy conversation around healthcare.
Oregon nurses, you are all heroes, and I'm proud to stand with the Oregon Nurses Association to make sure that you receive the support and protection that you and your patients deserve.
I stand with you. Thank you for your service and your compassion.
As somebody who's 6 months pregnant, I see some of you quite frequently now, and I'm really grateful for everything you're doing for my family. Brady, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you. We really, really appreciate you all.
As you celebrate Nurses Week, May 6th to May 12th, 2020, I'd like for you to know that you're not alone. I stand with you, I support you, and again, thank you for all you do.
Oregon nurses, thank you deeply for your diligent, skillful, amazing work all throughout this public health crisis. We're lucky to have you, so happy Nurses Week.
Nurses are the heart and soul of our healthcare system, and I want you to know we need you and we appreciate you. Thank you for all you do.
I will be celebrating with you and standing with you this week and every week. Happy Nurses Day, and thank you for your service.